Guys, it's time! It's time for my favorite holiday. What is my favorite holiday?
Christmas.
Nope.
Halloween.
No.
Summer holiday.
Oh, no.
Easter.
No.
Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving, exactly. It's time for Thanksgiving. Now, what do you need to have a successful Thanksgiving? Food. You need food, but exactly. You need, first of all,
A turkey.
You need a turkey.
You need a turkey.
So, to get a successful Thanksgiving meal, you need one piece of turkey. One piece of turkey. What else do you need? You have one piece of turkey. One side dish.
Yeah.
One side dish. Yeah, you need one side dish. And okay, wait, one piece of turkey by itself.
You need sauce.
Sauce, exactly.
Yeah.
A choice of sauce right here. One sauce.
Oh.
And once you're done,
You need a dessert.
one dessert, exactly. One dessert. Now, team one. Team one. Team two.
Team two.
How are you going to get all of that Thanksgiving meal? Well, you're going to roll the die. Ooh, look at this beautiful wooden die. So, if you roll a number 1, let's zoom in on the explanation. You will choose anything you want. You say, can we have the turkey, please?
Can we have the turkey, please?
If you roll a 2, it's a trivia question that I will ask. Example, during the first Thanksgiving, it was the Pilgrims and the Indians. Here we go. If you roll a 3, you have to exchange your card. So imagine you have the turkey card, they have a gravy card. We want to exchange turkey with gravy. Excellent.
Can we choose what we exchange?
You can choose what you exchange. You can't choose what is being exchanged. And number 4, if you roll number 4, that's, I like this one, because you steal. You can steal from another team.
Steal.
Oh yeah, you can take it
like
from
that.
another team. Now, number 5, that one is for me, because I will take it from you. And you say, oh no, please don't take the turkey!
Oh no, please don't take the turkey!
Now, number 6 is a bit more of a challenge, because you have to describe a food item, and I have to guess what you're describing.
Oh.
Cliff, give me an example.
It's a dessert. It's made with a fruit, and you can peel the fruit.
An apple pie?
Yes.
Okay, and you can get the apple pie, okay? Are you ready to play roll the die?
Yes.
Remember, to win you need one piece of turkey, one side dish, one sauce, and one dessert, okay? Now, who wants to play first?
Me?
Oh, choose faster. So roll the die on the floor.
Okay.
And it's a... Oh, it's a 3. Can't exchange, you don't have a card yet.
Okay.
Goes to the other team. Roll the die. Ooh, it's a 5. Taken from you. Same thing. We don't have one. Now, Cliff, ask me, can I play?
Can I play, please?
Yes, you can. Go. Roll and...
6, 1.
It's a 1! It's a 1! Excellent.
yeah.
So, can we have the... please?
Can we have the turkey, please?
Yes, you can have the turkey.
We have
Here
a
you
turkey.
go.
We have a turkey.
And you
Now-
We have the turkey.
Usually play in 4 teams, okay? This is an example with 2 teams, but with 4 teams it gets really competitive because there are only 4 turkey, 4 pieces of turkey and only 3 desserts. Aha! So it gets really competitive.
Oh, we should have to be good.
Can I play, please?
Yes, you can. Here you go.
Thank you.
Oh, it's a 4. You can steal. We are stealing the turkey.
Go on, steal the turkey.
We are stealing the turkey.
Oh!
Yay.
Olivia.
Can I play?
Yes, you can.
Oh, it's a 2.
Oh, it's a 2. Okay. Trivia question. What's your favorite Thanksgiving dessert?
My favorite Thanksgiving dessert is a pumpkin pie.
Ooh, okay. Do you want the pumpkin pie?
Yes.
Okay. Nice. Here you go. Okay. Okay, let's continue. Let's see what we get.
Can I play?
Yes, you can. Go.
It's...
Ooh, it's a 1. Choose.
Oh, what should we have?
We've got turkey. We need a side dish.
Okay, can we have mashed potatoes, please?
Yes, you can. There you go. Excellent. Okay.
Can I play?
Yes, you can. Go. Oh no, it's a 5. Oh no.
Oh no, I'm
Oh
sorry.
no, please don't take.
Oh no, please don't take the pumpkin pie.
I'll take it. I'll take it. Thank you.
No.
They have no.
I'm sorry, Olivia.
2-0. Good.
Can I play, please?
Yes, you can. Ooh, it's a 3, but we can't exchange right now. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Olivia?
Yes, I want to pay, please. 1. Oh.
Yeah, 1.
Can I have some turkey, please?
Yes, you can. Okay, let's go faster and faster but you guys get the idea. So this game can actually take quite a long time and kids will get really into it. It's very competitive. You can, of course, change it to a lot of other themes. We did it with American football teams where you had to get a team from the north, a team from the south, a team with an animal on it, etc., etc. So you can really adapt this game to a lot of things, okay? And you can just take whatever this corresponds to on the die and have fun with that. Okay? Remember to have your kids speak as much as they can, okay? Great?
Cool.
Yeah.
Thanks. Bye.